I hear you gasping over there. All right, guys. Hey, we are checking out a house here in Cagayan de Oro. A house for sale today inside the property of, what is the property called? The
Gran Europa, Alessandra.
Lysandra?
Yeah, Alessandra.
Lysandra. So it's a gated community in Cagayan de Oro in Gran Europa. All right, so we're gonna check it out inside. It's for sale. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. And we'll get the rest of the information when we go inside. So yeah, we'll go check it out. All right, before we go inside this unit, I wanted to give you a little bit more information about this house. So this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom with a loft upstairs that you can use for a bedroom. It also has an outdoor dirty kitchen. It's in San Lysandra, located in the subdivision of Gran Europa in Cagayan de Oro, Mindanao. And I'll leave the information, the contact information in the description to this video. Also, the owner of this house said the price was around 1.6 million, which comes out to about 28,500 US dollars. But she did also say that the price could possibly be negotiable. And I want to just give a quick overview with the drone to show what the area, what the subdivision looks like, the surrounding areas. So it's got the gated entry here. And the street that it's on. I'll show more of the entrance on the way out here. All right, let's go inside and check it out. And we're okay to go in? Okay, so we have the entryway here. You have like a little gated patio here, which wraps around. Show a little, it's like an outdoor kitchen. It's locked right now, but so you have your outdoor kitchen, and then we'll go check out inside. And you have your split aircon outside. The outside unit is pretty quiet too. It's like a Samsung unit. Your split AC indoor. So you have a 2-bedroom, 1-bath for 1.6 million pesos. So you have your just a little storage area. Possibly make it a bedroom. So it's just a little small bedroom or storage area, whatever you want to do. And then the hallway. Bathroom. Toilet. Shower. Looks like it doesn't have hot water. I'll ask her about that. A lot of houses here don't have hot water. You can easily just your sink. And we'll check out this room here. Oh, this is the outdoor kitchen. So at least it's gated. So you have 1 bedroom downstairs, bathroom, and then you have a stairway up here. We'll check that out. So 1.6 million. I'll have to find out how much that is converted from pesos to dollars. But so it looks like you have a loft up here. It's about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 feet high. Let's see, I'm 6 foot and I've been over, so I want to say it's like 3 feet maybe. So from upstairs, you have the view. Yeah, so this will be a quick tour. I just want to show you guys the prices between buying a small house, small condo versus renting a condo. So this is just a small one for 1.5 million. So the loft upstairs. So yeah, this is a small little house, little 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom. You have a little outdoor patio area, outdoor kitchen area. AC works good. Let's check out I didn't check out the plumbing. See how good that is. I know that might be a concern. So you have decent water pressure here. Yeah. And then check out the electrical. I mean, it's all standard fuses like I'm used to, at least. Breaker boxes. So small little house, but you know, unfortunately I didn't check out the conversion rate before I got here, so 1.5. I'll update that when I post the video. But it's a nice little place for, you know, something cheap inside a gated community. Nice little outdoor area here. Let me shut the door. I got the AC on. All right, I'm finished inside.
Okay, thank
Yeah.
you so much.
Cute little loft up there. So let's see, like I'm trying to think of like what questions we need to ask, you know. I don't really know like do you have to pay like HOA fees? You know, do you have to
Hua?
Yeah,
They have Hua also
Hua.
here.
so they do have HOA, so you have to pay the HOA fees.
Yeah, HOA.
And is that like a typical amount per year?
Yeah,
So every month you have HOA
yeah.
fees?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You pay every month for maybe here is 400.
400 pesos
Yeah, per month.
400 pesos for the
For the
HOA?
garbage,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
Garbage.
What about like electricity, water? How
Ah.
much does that roughly run?
It depends, yeah.
Just ballpark, you know, like
Ano,
1,000, 2,000
ilang
pesos?
part?
Yeah, like 2,500 to 3,000 pesos. It depends what appliances you are using.
Yeah, so around 3,000 pesos
Yeah,
for electricity, around 3,000, which is about 50, 60 bucks for electricity. And then you have your water. So like 5 to 6 bucks a month for water, around there.
Depende.
And then was it cash?
Okay.
Oh, that's a good question. Yeah. So is it cash only?
Yeah, cash, yeah.
So cash
Cash
only.
or yeah.
Cash only, yeah. Cash, oh, yung payment?
Yeah. Mode of payment.
Yeah, it's okay, bank transfer.
Bank transfer or cash.
Cash, yeah, you know.
Yeah, yeah. All right, any other information, I'll update it in the video when I post it. But yeah, so that's about it right now. Cool. Thank you for showing us. Yeah.
So much for you.
And then we'll get your information and we can add it to the link so they can get a hold of you for whatever. So just talk to her about that.
Facebook or Messenger.
Okay.
Yeah.